Deadly missiles worth hundreds of millions of pounds have been ordered for Royal Navy helicopters to protect the nation from a dangerous world. The UK government has ordered a significant number of Martlet lightweight multi-role missiles to supply its armed forces. The order, worth $227 million, is intended to be used in the Royal Navy's Martlet maritime anti-ship missile system, which is deployed from Wildcat helicopters. They will also be used in the existing and future short-range air defense systems of the UK Army, such as Stormer HVM combat vehicles. So, what makes the British so confident about this missile? Developed by Thales UK, the Martlet is a lightweight, precision strike missile that has deadly explosive power. This missile's main advantage is that it is multifunctional. It can effectively destroy both aerial and surface targets in a wide range of combat actions. It can be launched from various platforms such as helicopters, ships, or ground launchers. One important advantage is cost. The production of one Martlet costs around $30,000, which is cheaper than $80,000 per Igla-1 missile, and greatly cheaper than almost $850,000 per German-produced missile for the Stinger FIM 92K Block 1. The Martlet measures a mere 1.3 meters in length and 76 millimeters in diameter and weighs 13 kilograms. One British anti-submarine helicopter can carry as many as 20 Martlets in one sortie and effectively destroy seaborne targets as well as helicopters and UAVs, thanks to the modern fire control and targeting system. Flying at Mach 1.5 or about 1,800 kilometers per hour, the Martlet can effectively destroy targets at ranges up to 9 kilometers. The cumulative fragmentation warhead weighs 3 kilograms, enough to destroy even Russian light armored vehicles and Iranian fast inshore attack craft. Martlet can be deployed from a variety of platforms. It has been integrated onto the Royal Navy's Augusta Westland AW-159 Wildcat helicopters, which can carry up to 20 missiles across 2 weapon wings and 4 weapon stations. Alternatively, a mixed load of 10 Martlets and 2 Sea Venoms can be carried, or 1 weapon wing can be removed to accommodate a mounted gun on one side. In addition to the AW-159 Wildcat helicopter, Martlet missile can be launched from various platforms, including the Schiebel Camcopter S-100, BAE Fury, Thales Watchkeeper WK-450, and Jackal drone, making it a highly adaptable missile for multiple operational scenarios. The British Army has also integrated the Martlet missile into their current armored Stormer HVM and light roll Starstreak ground-based air defense batteries of the 12th Regiment Royal Artillery and 106th Regiment Royal Artillery to supplement the Starstreak system. The Martlet missile system achieved its initial operational capability during the Royal Navy's Carrier Strike Group deployment in the Bay of Bengal in 2021, where it was first fired from a Wildcat helicopter. Since then, the Martlet missile system has been deployed in various operations, including Operation Prosperity Guardian, aimed at protecting commercial vessels from enemy attacks in the Red Sea. In addition to bolstering domestic defense, the UK has also demonstrated international solidarity by gifting hundreds of Martlet missiles to Ukraine. These missiles have been instrumental in Ukraine's efforts to resist the Russian invasion that began in February 2022.
The UK will shortly be providing a further package of military support to Ukraine. This will include lethal aid in the form of defensive weapons and non-lethal aid.
The acquisition, worth hundreds of millions of dollars, aims to bolster the UK Armed Forces' defensive capabilities, ensuring versatile and precise defensive solutions against various dangerous threats. British Defence Minister Ben Wallace commented on the procurement, stating, "This significant investment underscores our commitment to ensuring the UK armed forces are equipped with the latest technology to protect our nation and support our allies." The lightweight multi-role missiles from Thales UK will provide a critical enhancement to our defensive capabilities. Defence Equipment and Support, DE&S, the Ministry of Defence's procurement arm, facilitated the contract with Thales UK. The deal not only strengthens national security but also supports economic growth in the region. The production of these missiles at Thales' Belfast site will sustain 135 jobs and benefit the local supply chain, including small and medium enterprises. Currently, there are two variants of the Wildcat helicopter used by the British Armed Forces, the Wildcat Mark I and the Wildcat Mark II. The Wildcat Mark I, flown by the British Army, is a highly capable helicopter, able to operate in extreme conditions and at high altitudes. The Wildcat Mark II is the next-generation maritime attack helicopter, operated by the Royal Navy. Wildcat Mark II is the next-generation multi-role helicopter, specifically procured to operate from Royal Navy frigates and destroyers. As a ship-borne helicopter, Wildcat can be deployed to tackle a range of threats at sea. With state-of-the-art sensors, equipment, and weapons, the Wildcat Mark II keeps the Royal Navy at the cutting edge of worldwide maritime operations. It has a powerful engine, allowing it to be flown in extreme conditions. It is capable of being armed with Stingray torpedoes, a 12.7mm caliber M3M cabin-mounted machine gun, and Martlet and Sea Venom missiles, providing the Royal Navy with greater firepower. The Wildcat Mark II is operated by the Wildcat Maritime Force and delivers anti-surface warfare, maritime security, force protection, counter-piracy, anti-submarine warfare, and ISR operations. It is an incredibly versatile helicopter, also capable of maritime lift tasks, search and rescue, intra-theater lift, and limited troop insertion. Additionally, Wildcat can be called upon to support humanitarian relief and evacuation operations.